All right, my people, you're going to solve this simple WASE fast question. This is 1999. I'm sure most of you have not been born by then. So lithium exists as L1 plus 3C. These are the two isotopes, okay? In the ratio 2:25. Now calculate the relative atomic mass of the lithium, okay? Now, most of you normally get confused when you see this type of question. It is very simple. I'm just going to give you a formula. Please subscribe to this channel. I've made a video about this before, okay? So just go and watch it in my YouTube channel. All right, so this is the formula of, let's solve. Relative atomic mass is equal to P1A1. What is P1? P1 is the percentage abundance of the first isotope. This is the first isotope. So we're going to find the percentage abundance of this. And this is the atomic mass of the first what? Lithium. Okay? And the atomic mass obviously is 6. This is the atomic number. This is the atomic number and this is the atomic mass. Alright? So we have the second one, P2A2. Percentage abundance of the second lithium and the atomic mass of the second one, which is 7, all over P1 plus P2. So this is the formula we are going to use. Now AR is equal to, what is P1? Look at the ratio, 2:25. Okay? Now we can convert the ratio to percentage. Okay? Now the total ratio is 2:25, which is 27, right? So for lithium, okay, lithium, the first lithium has 2 and the second lithium has 25. All right? So for this, the percentage abundance is 2/27 times 100. And the answer is 7.4. 7.4%. Okay? But second lithium, we have 37. So we have, it will not be 25. 25/27 times 100. So 92.6%. Okay? Now we are going to go ahead to put this here. So P1 times A1 is 7.4 times A1 is 6. Very simple. Subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out. The second one is 92.6 times A2 is 7. Normally, this plus this should give you 100. That is P1 plus P2. If you want, we can verify. This is 92.6, then this is 7.4. This plus this is 0, here 1, 9, 0, 1. So it's 100. Alright? So let's compute this. 7.4 times 6. I teach real things. Now let's add the numerator. So the final answer is 6.926. So the relative atomic mass is 6.926. But approximately, we can just say it is what? 7. Thank you so much and see you in the next class.